Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Kaspersky develops technique to detect iOS spyware, cryptocurrency market update, Bitcoin slides to $40,000 leadership change at Amazon's AWS, Netflix confirms no dedicated app for Apple Vision Pro, HCL Foxconn joint venture ICE Tamil Nadu, Telangana for semiconductor unit, Reddit plans IPO in March, Nazara Technologies raises additional funding and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Researchers at Kaspersky create a lightweight technique to detect advanced iOS spyware including Pegasus, Predator, and Rhine. The method involves analyzing the shutdown.log file in the sysdiagnose archive after a device reboot. Anomalies linked to spyware such as sticky processes hindering reboots associated with Pegasus infections can be identified. Offers minimal intrusion and when combined with comprehensive forensic analysis provides reliable evidence of iOS malware infections. Cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ether experience a decline with Bitcoin dropping to $40,000, Bitcoin down 3.6% at $41,167.14, reaching its lowest level since 18 December. Ethereum Ether also falls 3% to $2,448.41. Broader crypto market follows the downward trend. Analysts attribute the correction to post-ETF launch activity and ongoing selling by short-term traders and large Bitcoin holders. John Felton, Amazon's top logistics executive, will become the Chief Financial Officer (CFO) of Amazon Web Services (AWS). Felton, a member of Amazon CEO Andy Jassy's ex-team, transitions to SVP and AWS CFO Udit Madan replaces him. Current AWS CFO Richard Puccio intends to leave the company, marking a leadership shakeup amid AWS growth rate slowdown. Netflix confirms it won't release a dedicated app for the Apple Vision Pro mixed reality headset. Users will access Netflix on the headset through the web version, missing features like offline downloads. In contrast, Disney Plus plans immersive backdrops for its content on the Apple Vision Pro. Netflix's decision aligns with its apparent lower investment in mixed reality compared to some competitors. HCL Foxconn joint venture is in advanced talk with Tamil Nadu and Telangana to set up a semiconductor assembly and testing unit. Karnataka was also considered, but the JV may prefer Tamil Nadu or Telangana due to better incentive structures. The joint venture plans to invest $1 billion in India for semiconductor manufacturing and services over the next few years. Reddit has detailed plans to launch its IPO in March, marking the first IPO of a major social media company since Pinterest in 2019. Filed confidentially for IPO in December 2021, public filing expected in late February, roadshow in early March, and completion by end of March. Reddit is aiming to sell about 10% of its shares in the IPO, and the valuation decision will be made closer to the listing. Nazara Technologies board approves a preferential allotment of equity shares to raise INR 250 crore, about $33 million investment led by Nikhil Kamath Associate and NK Squared, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund and other participating funds to be utilized for strategic acquisitions, growth objectives and general corporate purposes. Nazara Technologies recently acquired a 10.77% stake in influencer marketing platform Cofluence. This is Arshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.